This lesson is going to be quite interesting. Sugar Astronaut presents Spanish Made Easy. Hi everyone, welcome to another video. Today we will talk about something interesting that you need to know when learning Spanish. But before, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. People who are learning Spanish often practice this language when speaking with other people, or you can practice by yourself at home. But now, with technology, we can communicate with several people without leaving home. You can use your computer or your cell phone. This is a really good way to practice Spanish, and it's quite easy to do as well. One thing that is really important when using your computer or phone to communicate with other people in Spanish is to have good grammar. Good grammar is always important, even if you're writing a letter, texting, or sending an email. And I really want you to have good grammar. So today I will show you several useful tricks to start typing in Spanish on your phone or on your computer. Usually people who speak Spanish care about good grammar. So if you don't have good grammar, they might think that you don't know Spanish that well, and they might even correct you. Some other native Spanish speakers don't care that much about grammar, but I consider myself as a person who does care about grammar. But don't worry, it's okay to make mistakes. Nobody's perfect. And eventually, the more you practice, the better you will get at all this grammar situation. Okay, I'm talking too much, and I think we should just get started. If you have a PC computer, you will need to click on the Start button located at the bottom left corner, and then you need to click on Settings. It's that little gear icon. Then you need to click on Time and Language. After that, click on Region and Language. We will add a new language. So type in English and select English United States or English from United States. Then it will take you back, and under languages, you need to select English United States. Then click Options, click on Add a Keyboard, and select United States International. That's it. Now you have to delete the one above and you're all set. Just make sure to set that language as the default language. Now close the window. And at the bottom right corner, you can select English from United States. Now let's start to type in. Maybe you're wondering why I'm doing this in this particular way. This is because you will still be able to type in English, but if you need to type in Spanish, then you only have to use a few shortcuts to get accent marks and the other characters that you need. I find this easier instead of switching between English and Spanish keyboards. If you switch keyboards and you set your keyboard to be in Spanish, it will be a little confusing. For example, you don't have a key for the letter ñ. But when you do it the way I'm doing it now, you will be able to type in English and Spanish without all the hassle. Now, if you want to add accent marks to vowels, the only thing you need to do is you will only have to hold down the key Alt, and then you need to press the vowel, just like so. Now, if you want to use capital letters, you only have to press caps lock before pressing Alt. For ñ, you only have to hold Alt and then the letter N. If you want a capital ñ, you will only have to press the caps lock key before pressing Alt and the letter N. So that way you can start typing in Spanish. For example, está needs an accent mark. If you want the upside down exclamation mark, you only have to hold Alt and then press 1. And for the upside down question mark, you have to hold Alt and then press the regular question mark key. Okay, that was all for PC. Now let's talk about Mac computers. If you have a Mac computer, I'm pretty sure you have the English keyboard set up, but if you want to double check, you can click on the Apple icon at the top left corner and then select System Preferences. Now click on Keyboard, and after that, Input Sources. Make sure that you have selected the US keyboard. Now the only thing you need to do here to start adding accent marks on top of the vowels, you have to hold the Option key and then press the letter E. After that, you can press any vowel and then you will see the accent mark, just like so. If you want to use capital letters for this, you will have to press and hold the Option key, then press the letter E, and after that, hold Shift and press the vowel that you want the accent mark on, just like this. For the letter ñ, you only have to hold Option and press the letter N. If you want a capital ñ, then you will have to hold Option, press N, after that hold Shift and press N again. So now you can start typing in Spanish. Once again, this is an easy way to do this instead of switching between two different languages on your computer. For the upside down exclamation mark, you only have to hold Option and then press the number 1. And for the upside down question mark, hold Option, Shift, and then press the regular question mark key. I gotta say that I will only let you know how to do this on an iPhone because I don't have an Android phone. But if you want me to teach you how to do that on an Android phone, just let me know and I'll find a way to do that. So if you're on your iPhone, you only have to go to Messages and you need to tap on that little world-like icon. And then you have to tap on Keyboard Settings. Tap on Keyboards and then select Add New Keyboard. Then you will have some suggested keyboards. If you find one that you like, then you can select that. For example, Spanish, Latin America sounds pretty good, but let's see what else they have. So let's scroll down. Okay, I see that they have one option here that says Spanish from Spain. I'm gonna tap on that. And that's it. Now tap again on that world-like icon, or I think it's the language icon. Now you will see that you have Español from Spain or from España. Now select that and then your keyboard actually changes. So you can start dictating in Spanish if you want, or just typing in your message. So you can see the letter ñ there. So if you want to add accent marks to the vowels, usually you will see some recommended Spanish word for you. But if you want to add accent marks to specific vowels, you only have to press the letter and hold it down, and then you will see there are a few options to add accent marks on top that specific vowel. Now, if you want the upside down exclamation mark or question mark, you only have to press the regular exclamation or question mark down, and then you will see some options there to select the upside down versions of each one of them. And that's it. Okay, that was all for today. I hope you liked this lesson. Let me know if you have any questions about this. Don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. I'm on Facebook, Google+, Twitter, Instagram, Periscope, Snapchat. All the links are in the video description. Support this channel by sharing this video with your friends and by giving the thumbs up. Okay, I'll see you next time. Bye!